Hey everybody, today we're going to be making sourdough chocolate chip cookies, and we're going to give you a list here first of the things that you're going to need, and at the end we'll take a screenshot of this and show you so you can screenshot it. So first up, you're going to need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter or 2 sticks, 2/3 cups of sourdough discard, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 2 large egg yolks. You're going to need the yolk, and save the whites, make you something for breakfast. So first up, you're going to take the 2 sticks of butter and brown them up. You're going to cook them until that butter starts browning, and then you're going to set that aside and let it cool. So that's what we're doing here. We just got this on a medium heat. We're going to stir it a little bit, and just to make sure that it doesn't burn on the bottom, and just keep that stirring until we're ready to put it in our other mixtures. So once you've browned it, it'll look kind of like this. You'll set it to the side and let it cool. In your mixer, you're going to add 2/3 cup of sourdough discard. Get it in there. Add your 2 egg yolks. While that butter's cooling, we're going to go ahead and start on 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 3/4 cups of flour, then we're going to add in our 1 1/2 teaspoons. We're just going to measure it with our eyeballs here. That's close enough. To the dry, we're going to put our salt, 3/4 teaspoon. We're going to add our brown sugar in with our wets and our sugar. So that's 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to go with 2/3 regular sugar. Now that our butter's cooled off just a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add it in. Then we're going to put this thing down here and let it mix for a little until it becomes light and fluffy. Then we add in all of our dry ingredients. And in goes the sugar. And now that we're light and fluffy, we're going to add in our dry ingredients, a little at a time. And once all that gets mixed in, we're going to add 1/2 of a bag of chocolate chips, which is approximately about 2 cups. Now while we're waiting, we're going to turn our oven on 350, get that preheating, and we're going to line some baking sheets with some parchment paper, get ready to bake these. Now that we've got this mixed up, we're going to go ahead and grab some, probably about 2-inch balls. We're going to make these cookies a little bigger than what we normally do. Got that big. Place them on a parchment paper, on a cookie sheet. And bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. And once they come out, they look like this.